Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online. First, navigate to your settings and ensure the project's feature is turned on. This foundational step is crucial for tracking profitability. Next, we'll walk through creating your very first project, assigning it a client, and giving it a clear name. This will help organize your work and financial data effectively from the start. Once your project is set up, accurately tracking its profitability becomes straightforward. You can assign all relevant income and expenses directly to the project, ensuring every dollar is accounted for. This includes time entries, vendor bills, and customer payments. By consistently linking transactions, you gain a real-time view of how each project is performing financially, helping you make informed decisions. QuickBooks Online offers advanced features to enhance your project management. For longer engagements, consider using progress invoicing to bill clients as work progresses, improving cash flow. You can also easily track any unbilled time or expenses, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to bill for your work. Comparing estimates to actual costs helps refine future project bids and improve accuracy. Finally, leveraging QuickBooks Online's reporting capabilities is key to understanding your business's health. You can generate various reports to analyze project profitability, identify your most lucrative clients, and pinpoint areas for improvement. These insights are invaluable for strategic planning and growth. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.